Here with Dr. Lundy, and she is going to be giving us a tour of her house while we interview her and ask her questions about her life.
Okay. This is the office. It's where my husband does a lot of his work. He manages assisted living facilities, and so he works in here, but he also has an office in downtown Allen.
Oh, okay.
And then this is just the foyer, you know, and the stairs that go up there. And we can go up there in a little bit if you want.
Okay.
Okay. This is the dining room. It's the formal dining room. We don't really eat in here very often. Not very formal people. And then this is the living room, the family room. This is where we spend most of our time watching TV and, you know, cooking in the kitchen.
Do you have a favorite show you like to watch?
Yeah, I like Big Bang Theory.
Big fan.
That's my favorite comedy, and I like the Resident, which is a brand new drama that just started, and it's frightening and truthful and gruesome, and it's good. It's really good. You should watch The Resident. Everybody should watch more TV.
Okay, I see there's many books. So what is your favorite book?
Well, I teach literature, so I read a lot, and my husband reads a lot. My favorite book, that's a thinker. I think my favorite play is Hamlet by Shakespeare. And my favorite book, that's tough. That's tough. I may have to think on that for a while.
Okay.
There's so many. I really like, I like Gone with the Wind by Margaret Mitchell. That's a really good one. And I really like The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, which we just finished with my seniors. Really good.
Okay. Let's see. So you said you teach English. So how many places have you taught at?
Oh, goodness. I've taught at 4 school districts, and I've taught at the University of North Texas. I taught there for 7 years, and then I taught at SMU for 2.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Do you prefer like school or like university?
I prefer teaching at high school. At college, it's wonderful, and you get to see a beautiful landscape, and you get an office with a window, which I really miss. But at high school, the students just have this amazing energy, and I just thrive off of that. And so when they posted a job for a high school teacher, I thought, well, I'm going to try that for a while, and as it turns out, that's my calling, and teaching high school is where I belong.
That's so good.
Yeah, it's great.
Okay. Well, let's continue.
Okay. Okay. Here is the kitchen, and where I do some of my grading. So the grading happens, unfortunately, today. So that's, sad. This is the breakfast nook, and this is where we do our casual dining, so pretty much all of our dining.
Cool.
And then this is the master bedroom. And there's a cowboy blanket on the bed for my cat.
Oh.
My cat is not very nice. She'll kill you if she comes out here.
So you're a cat person or dog person?
Well, I'm both, but my husband and my older son are allergic to dogs.
Oh, no.
Yeah. So we have a cat.
Okay.
And the cat doesn't like anybody. And down that hallway, we don't have to really go down that hallway. It goes to the laundry room and the workout room and, that
Not
stuff.
fun stuff.
Well, it's fun for me, but not everybody enjoys it. And now we're going upstairs.
Okay.
Oh, goodness. This hallway leads to the guest bedroom.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to see the guest bedroom.
It's okay.
And then that's my younger son's bedroom. He's off at college. He's at UT San Antonio.
Okay.
And this hallway goes into my older son's bedroom, and he's studying right now
Okay.
because he's got a test tomorrow. He's He's in college too. And this is the game room.
Fun.
And we, game here. And then we have a media room where we watch football. Oh. Cowboys. Go team go.
Is football your favorite sport?
It absolutely is.
So what outside hobbies do you have out of school?
Well, during football season, I watch the Cowboys. And when it's not football season, I like to spend time outside working on my tan. And I like to spend time working out at the gym. I like to lift weights, although I've been told I can't lift weights for another 2 weeks. So, I had an injury and they told me no lifting weights.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. 2
You're
weeks.
good.
I can do 2 weeks. So it's fine. But I stay pretty busy and we travel a little bit.
Oh, that's fun. Where's your favorite place to travel to?
I think I liked Italy the best. We went to Venice.
Oh my gosh.
5 years ago, and it was quite a bit of fun.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a beautiful, beautiful place. I really want to go to Florence. That's where Dante is from, and want to hang out there and see what Dante did.
Okay, so let's see. If you had to choose to read or write for the rest of your life, what would you choose?
I think I'd have to read.
Read?
That's a shocking thing, I know. Yeah, to read. That would be wonderful.
And who's your favorite author?
Favorite author?
You can list multiple if it's too hard.
I like Shakespeare. I like Nathaniel Hawthorne of The Scarlet Letter. I like F. Scott Fitzgerald. I like Ernest Hemingway. Herman Melville. Oh my goodness, can't forget Herman Melville. A lot of the Americans, really like the Americans. William Faulkner, also very good, very good. Modernist though, not a fan of the modernist, but I do like William Faulkner, his stuff is good.
That's good. Let's see, what is one subject you hated growing up?
Miss Smith, I'm sorry, but chemistry is just not my jam. No, I had to take chemistry 3 times in college for it to take. No, I found a professor who pronounced my name it was Miss Kirkpatrick, that was my maiden name. And I just hung on every word that man said. So yeah, chemistry was worth it with him, but that was it.
Yes. Let's see. What is your perfect day?
Perfect day. Oh, it was this afternoon. It was 72 degrees, sunny, soft breeze. It was beautiful. Perfect day.
What is something that someone can do to make your day?
Bring me Reese's peanut butter cups and a Diet Coke.
Okay, so all students. Just kidding.
This is the media room.
Ooh.
And when we moved in here, my husband bought me those big movie posters, Gone with the Wind and It's a Wonderful Life.
Oh my gosh.
It's a Wonderful Life was the first movie he and I saw together.
Oh,
yeah.
cute.
And I know, isn't that a cute story? And so then we sit here and we watch the Cowboys and whoop whoop and
So is your husband a huge English fanatic too?
No.
He's not?
No. He does not get what I do. He's an accountant.
Complete opposite.
Totally opposite. But it's good because if the kids ever need help on stuff, one of us can, step up and help.
That's great.
Except in chemistry, neither one of us does. I'm sorry, Miss Smith, just no.
What's your favorite movie?
Gone with the Wind.
Gone with the
I really
Wind.
like Gone with the Wind. Although I did just finish the Rocky series. I watched Rocky 1 through 4 on Sunday. It was wonderful.